Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Now in this tutorial I'm going to be going over how to install the Tor browser within Kali Linux. It's not going to be a video on what Tor is, how it works, what you can use it for. That might be another video. This is purely about how to install Tor on Kali Linux. So let me just open up a terminal, make this bigger here, drag it up a bit. Okay, now the first thing we need to do is download the packages for Tor, and that's just a simple command: apt-get space install space Tor space -y. Go ahead and press enter on that, and that'll start downloading the packages and dependencies. Just give it a minute or so and then it'll be done. I'll just clear the screen here. Now the next step is to create a new user. So you might be saying, why are we creating a new user? Why are we not running this as root like so many other people advise? Well, it's quite simple really, because if your browser is exploited, then that exploit will have root privileges on your system. So you should never run the Tor browser as root for that reason. So let's go ahead and create a new user here. So within the terminal, just type in add user space and then the name of the user. So I'm just going to go with user 99 here. So 99, and then just press enter. Now you'll be prompted to enter a password for the new user, so go ahead and put something in there. Press enter once you've done that, and then you will be prompted to retype that password again, so just go ahead and type it in again, press enter. Now you don't need to enter anything for these values here, so just press enter to accept the defaults. And now you get, is this information correct? Just press or put Y in for yes, press enter. Okay, and the next step is to log off as root and log on as the new user. Let's just go and click on log out there. Let's click log out. Wait for it to reboot here. Okay, and just log on as a new user that you've just created. So user 99 for me. Type the password in and sign in. Okay, so now we need to download the Tor browser itself. So if we go over here and just open up Firefox. Just go over to the search bar here and just type in Tor project. Now always make sure that the website you're connecting to here is HTTPS secure, and it's the correct URL for Tor project, which is www.torproject.org. Okay, let's make this bigger here. So this is the Tor project website where we can actually download the browser itself. Now if you don't know about Tor, if you click on about Tor here, it's got some pretty good information here on what Tor is, why we need it, and it also goes on to explain here further down on how it actually works. But for now, just go back to home, and to download the Tor browser we're just going to click on download Tor here. This will take us to the downloads page, and the version we want to download is the Tor browser for Linux 64-bit. This one here. So just click on this download button here. The box will pop up asking you where you want to save this. So I'm just going to select save file here. And select OK, and that will go to my default download location. You can see it here in the top right. And then once that's downloaded, click on Downloads here, and then just click on the archive itself here. Go ahead and select that. We can minimize this for now. The archive manager will extract the files here, load it up. So what we want to do now is just click Extract in the top left. And then I'm going to select my desktop, which is where I want to extract the files to, and then click Extract again in the top right hand corner, and that will extract the files from the Tor Browser package we just downloaded. And now we'll go over to the Tor Browser folder on the desktop, just open that. And then within this folder we want to select Start Tor Browser Desktop. So just go ahead and double click that. And just give it a minute or two to sort itself out. If you get this message, just select Trust and Launch here. We know it's safe because we've downloaded it from the official Tor website. And then it changes to this Tor Browser icon, so just double click that to launch it again. And give it a minute or so. And just close this down here. Now we've got this Tor network settings screen that comes up. So which of the following best describes our situation? So we've got two options. I'd like to make a direct connection to the Tor network, which is a default option here, and the second option needs a bit more configuration. That's if you are behind a proxy or if your internet is censored for whatever reason. So just select the first option and connect, and that will now connect you to the Tor network. The Tor browser itself will open here, as you can see. Now you might see this menu bar at the top here about the security settings. If we click on Open Security Settings here in the top right, you'll see that this is on the lowest security setting. Now I'd recommend changing this to high so you are protected completely on Tor. So that's it, Tor is now installed and you can now visit your Onion URLs, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.